Leonardo AI with a free tariff plan. After registration, you will immediately be credited with 150 coins. They are replenished daily. Let's use the same prompts for MidJourney and Leonardo and compare the results. First prompt. In the settings, select the aspect ratio 9:16 and click the Generate button. 16 coins were spent on the request. Ready. Let's compare the results. MidJourney turned out to be more artistic, but look at the highlight in the glass on the Leonardo version. Looks great. Next prompt. Dark blue background, hacker cat with laptop, illustration. We select the aspect ratio 1:1. Also, since the illustration style is specified in the prompt itself, we will select the same filter. I would like to get just such an artistic illustration, similar to an avatar, for example. Beautiful. But absolutely not what I wanted. We use another filter, creative. It still doesn't look like the illustration. Let's apply sketch color. Better, but still didn't achieve the desired result. See how different results are obtained depending on the different filters. Filters in Leonardo AI are a must-have. The result of Leonardo AI turned out to be interesting and has the right to life. But it was not possible to achieve a style similar to the result of MidJourney. They are different, and MidJourney handled the prompt much better. Third prompt. Electronic watch, dark purple blue background, space. Leonardo AI offers many neural network options to choose from. Let's see how they differ. Let's select Anime Pastel Dream and leave the filter as default. Wow, this is anime. In the first option, you won't be able to find the watch right away. The second one is more acceptable, but far from impromptu. Let's use another neural network, something more realistic, Leonardo Lightning XL. So, the style is what you need, but the result is of incomparably low quality. Another attempt. Let's see what Leonardo Diffusion XL can do. As you can see, different neural networks are trained on different examples, and even different sizes of pictures, so they give completely different results. Well, the result of Leonardo AI is quite consistent with the prompt, but the MidJourney version is much more detailed and the overall composition is more interesting. In general, Leonardo AI is an excellent service. It has many useful and convenient settings and any picture can be brought to perfection. Perhaps it will take a little more time than in MidJourney. Explore, experiment and happy creating. See you in the next videos.